Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Tucson wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft towel, and a small flathead screwdriver. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the ignition for safety. Gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the upright position. This provides clear access and prevents the arm from snapping back. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll find a small tab or button on the connector. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook of the wiper arm. Be gentle but firm. Once the old blade is detached, carefully lower the bare wiper arm back onto the towel you placed on the windshield. Never let it snap against the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper arm, ensuring both new blades are properly installed. Finally, gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Make sure they rest flat against the glass. Turn on your vehicle and test the new blades using your windshield washer fluid. Observe them for smooth, streak-free operation across the entire windshield. This ensures they are working correctly and providing optimal visibility. Remember, keeping your car fresh is also important. Life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.